everyone, my name is Angelica Mack. I have been doing lashes for 5.5 years now. This channel is dedicated to all things lashes and beauty. If you haven't already, press below to subscribe to our channel. In today's video, we're going to be talking about all things tapes. We will go over the tapes that LivBay offers and some of the different ways that you can use the tapes that we have. The first tapes that we're going to go over are the pink silicone gel tape and the blue medical tape. Both of these tapes act similarly in the way that they're very strong. They don't rip off the lashes if you're going to be pulling back the lashes. It's great to tape up the lid as well, put tape on the bottom of the iPad. Both of these tapes are really great, but if you do have clients that are sensitive to latex, I wouldn't suggest using this tape. It does have a little bit of latex on the back of it, but if you have clients that are just sensitive skin, if clients have sensitive skin, I suggest using this tape for that. But like I said, if they do have a latex allergy, you do not want to use this tape. This tape is great, it's durable, it's strong, it pulls up the lid nicely, it holds back the lashes nicely as well. And when you're pulling off that tape, when you are pulling back the lashes, it does not rip the lashes out, which is great. The next tape we're gonna go over is the transparent medical tape. This tape is great for removals. This tape is very strong, so make sure that you tack it on the back of your hands a couple times before you put it on their face or you pull up their lid. This is very good for all removals. This is the only tape I suggest using if you're gonna do a full removal. With our gel or our cream, you want to put this on the bottom of the iPad to secure the lashes down. The next tape we're going to be talking about is the purple microfour tape. This tape is great for taping down the lashes, of course, taping up the lid. It is latex free, so this is a great alternative for clients who have a latex allergy. This tape is fairly strong. You will get a couple uses out of it during the fill or the full set. Just want to make sure, of course, you want to tack it on the back of your hands because it is a stronger tape. The next tape we're going to talk about is the flexible waterproof tape. This is great for all of your taping techniques. It is another latex-free tape. So again, this is great for clients who have a latex sensitivity. It's strong, it's durable. You could definitely use the same strip throughout the whole fill and the whole full set. So this is some great tape you guys want to try out. The next tape we're going to talk about is the 3M high quality tape. This is great tape. I use it all the time. This is definitely some strong tape. So once again, you want to make sure you tack it on the back of your hands. It doesn't hurt when you remove it from the client's lashes, but if you do not tack it, it will pull out their lashes a little bit. So you want to make sure you definitely tack it on the back of your hands a couple times before you tape down the iPads or you tape up their lid so it doesn't pull out their eyebrows. The last tape we're going to talk about is the infamous foam tape. This tape is very popular. This tape can be used as an alternative for iPads. So instead of using iPads, you can use this foam tape on the bottom lash line to secure their bottom lashes. This is a great alternative for clients who are allergic to the vitamin C that are on the bottom of most iPads. You can use this instead of using the iPads. This foam tape is definitely strong, so of course you want to make sure you detack it on the back of your hand a couple times just to make sure it does not pull out their skin when you're taking it off their bottom lash line, because it definitely can do that, and I've done that before and it hurts. So you want to make sure you detack it a couple times before you apply it to the bottom of their lash line. And that's all we have for you today. I hope you got some value from this content and you learned something. I do have a question for you. What is your favorite tape that you use? Comment below.